Hello and welcome to the Unit 8 Event Reason Derivation. In this unit, we are going to see how the event reason derivation works and what are the different rules which are defined to work the event reason derivation. So to look at the event reason derivation, let's look at the system now. So I am into the position org chart. So I can click on the position org chart here and you can see I am directed to this position org chart. This I have created with a small position org chart just to show you how the event reason derivation works. So if you see that this is a chief executive officer of the organization and then it is being headed by several peoples, then below that there are underneath positions. So these are the so for example for Shane Nicole, Jessica Sitani is the um, line manager, and for Jessica Sitani, Ben Mosley is the line manager. So likewise it works, and it has got some vacant positions, and we will use these vacant positions for performing our different events like promotion, demotion, and transfers. So let's look at the first event reason, which is like transfer. So to for transfer we need to see how the event reason works. So to work with the event reason you need to be you need to be proficient with configure business rules. So let's create some rules for to work with the transfer. So I will go here and I will click on configure. I will click on action bar and type configure business rules. And I will just say ERD here. I have created some rules already, so I just want to see. So for example, for ERD transfer, I have created this rule already. So you can see, so this rule is basically talks about if the job information model company value is equal to 9999 and the department value is not equal to the previous department value, then please raise the workflow which is transfer and set the event reason value to be transfer. So you can copy this rule and you can create another rule with this. So I will say ERD hyphen transfer 1. I will copy this rule and I can edit this rule. So I suppose I want to change the workflow. So let us look at this workflow as well. So I will go to the another window and I will go to manage org pay and job structure. I will go to workflow here, give 9999. So you can see this is the transfer workflow. So in this workflow, the first level approval is going to manager and the second level approval is going to employee HR. Okay, so in our case, let us see how this when we execute this transfer workflow, how this is being called. So I am just cancelling it, just showing you that this can be copied, and I will go back to my rule. So let's completely delete this rule. I will say delete yes, and I will create a similar rule now so that you are aware that what steps we need to perform. So ERD hyphen TR transfer underscore 9999. So and then this is the job information model will be the base object for this because we are going to compare the values. Continue, and here we will give so as you are aware, if it is always true, you can always give this as always true, and you can set the set condition. But this rule I am specifically defining it for legal entity 9999. So I will be defining it for 9999, and I will just go here. I will say copy, and I can say paste, and I can select this value here. If the department value is not equal to department previous value, and then I can define it here, set event reason value to be equals to transfer transfer, which one is our, this one is ours, and then you can say add expression and can say add it, set. For workflow definition you will use this one, workflow config to be equal to transfer as well, 9999, and I will save this. So once this rule is defined, this rule needs to be assigned to manage business configuration. So I will go here and I will go to manage business configuration. I will go to job info